Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Alright y'all see me doing another video, right? Like, I'm on the roll. Usually I do home decor videos, weekly vlogs, daily vlogs on my journey of being a inspiring influencer and a YouTuber. But today, as y'all can see, we are doing a hair tutorial. I get questions on how I do a ponytail such as this one using clip ends, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on it because it's very easy and self-explanatory. If you guys want more videos like this, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and click the bell as well, so you'll be alerted whenever I post a new video. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like the tutorial, and if you have any questions, as always, you guys can ask me anything. Leave it down in the comment section below. Alright guys, let's get on with the tutorial. You guys are going to be using the CURLSQUEEN's hair. You guys know I worked with them in the past and they sent me over some hair. And the hair that I'm using is going to be the light Yaki. I'm going to be using their light Yaki clip ends. You guys know that this hair mimics my natural hair very much. It is in its natural color. It does have a lot of texture to it. It's nice, thick, and full all the way to the ends. Like, this hair is super thick. I think it's very easy for you to use these clip-ins, whether it's with your hair blended in, or if you're just trying to do a ponytail like today. These are the perfect clip-ins. All the direct links and information about this hair will be in my description box, so make sure you check that out. Okay, so for this tutorial, like I said, it's going to be very self-explanatory and easy. You're going to part your hair at the nape of your neck. You're not going to part it too far down. I'm going to take this clip to clip the rest of my hair up, and my first clip-in is going to go right here. You don't want to apply the first piece too low to your nape, because then when you pull it up in a ponytail, that clip-in might be bulky or might show. So just give yourself a little bit more room to apply the first clip. I'm going to be using the 2 clip set just because it's easier when you're applying it on the nape of your neck. And then you're gonna put your head down. This works easy for me. I know it sounds weird and it looks weird, but if you flip your head down, then put the clip in. Make sure the clip in is upside down and not like laying flat this way. Make sure it's upside down, because when you pull your hair up, it's not going to be lumpy. Okay, so that's the first piece. Alright, and then I made my second part, which is going to be kind of right above the first clip-in set. And if y'all can see that. Again, I'm going to take another 2-piece set and then clip it in upside down. I'm going to part my hair again down the middle. Since we're at the middle of my head, I'm going to get a larger clip-in, because that way it can fit all the way across my head. I'm going to use a 3-piece set clip-in. This one, you're not going to flip your head down. You're going to just apply it normal. Because you reached the middle, you don't need to apply the clip-in upside down anymore. Okay, so just like that. And don't be afraid to adjust your clip-ins. You can always adjust clip-ins. That's the good thing about clip-ins. You can always like adjust them if they're not working right, or you need to like take one out and put in a different one. Like, they're forgivable, trust me. I'm gonna use another 3-piece set for this part right here. I'm gonna use another 3-piece set for this part right here. Since we're at the front, I'm gonna use a 2-piece set. Since we're at the front, I'm gonna use a 2-clip set. And then I think I got room for one more. I'm gonna put one more right here. I'm gonna put one more 2-clip set right here. Okay, all the clip-ins are in. Now I'm gonna flip my head down so I can get the ponytail together. Okay guys, so this is my final look of the ponytail. Don't mind my hair tie, it is blue. I couldn't find a black one, so I was like, whatever, I'm just going to use what I have. I did use some edge wax, the Marae's Caffeine Extreme Hold edge wax. I don't know if y'all could see it, but I did use this just to slick up my hair a little bit. And then I also used this olive oil heat protection serum, coconut oil heat protection serum. I don't like using too much heavy stuff on my hair when it comes to a ponytail because I kind of want it to look, you know, natural. I want it to look natural, you know what I mean? Like, okay, because I'm just thinking, like, if this was actually like my natural hair, I would have pieces sticking out. Like, I would have imperfections in the ponytail because it's not like a slick ponytail. This wasn't a slick ponytail tutorial. This was like more of a natural hair ponytail that you can wear up and look cute in. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. So yeah, this is the back of the ponytail, guys. I hope you guys can see. I just have my hair pulled up in a ponytail. I did, like I said, use some edge wax and try to smooth it out as best as possible. If you want to put some edge control in your baby hairs, you can, but I'm not going to do that. Only thing I did was take this brush and brush down like the sides like that because I like the way that looks. But as far as like the actual baby hairs, I'm just going to like leave them alone. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Ponytails are addicting because as soon as you put them in, you're like... If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Also, thank you so much to CURLSQUEEN for sponsoring this video. All the links to the hair will be in the description box, and all the information about the hair will be in the information box as well. Also, these are 20 inches, I believe. I think they're 20 inches. But if I'm wrong, the actual length will be in the description box, so make sure you read that. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you click the bell so you'll be alerted whenever I post a new video. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.